I'm going to be showing you right away how you can create an e-commerce store using your WhatsApp. All right, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know where to subscribe, where to like, just look down below. You see the red button, click on that and subscribe. All right, the first thing you want to do is to go to your business WhatsApp. Click on this top right corner here, then click on business tools, then it takes you to this page. Then the first thing you want to do is to click on the business profile. Here you are going to be putting down the details of your business, starting with the name. If this is the name you want to go with, fine. Put in your name, then put in a category. What kind of business do you operate? Is it an automotive service business? Is it art and entertainment? I will just go with finance. All right. um It says you cannot select categories when you have selected not a business. So you want to cancel not a business, then select the category you want, then click on save. Okay. Then the description, you want to describe what your business is all about. So I'm just going to put down something right here. We teach you how to make money online. So the very next thing you need to do is to pick an address. You can put in your current address or the address of your business. So let's just put that down there. Okay. Then your business hours, you want to choose um business hours. Are you open for selected hours, or you're always open, or you want people to always book appointments with you whenever they want to have a conversation or do business with you? So I'll just go with always open. All right, then you want to click on the save. Then the very next thing is to go to the email section. You put down your email. Then you click on the save. Then you put down your website. Okay. I'm going to put my seller website. Then you can also add another website if you want. So let me add my YouTube website down there. Okay, let me add my YouTube website. Then click on save. There you go. So these are the websites that people will want to click on whenever they want to check out your e-commerce store or your profile on WhatsApp. Then the very next thing you want to do is to go add a product. This is an e-commerce store. All right, so you want to be putting up products you sell, digital products, be it ebooks or video courses or audio courses, or what have you. Okay, so you want to put up products, and WhatsApp give you the freebie to put up different kind of products in catalog. Okay, the very first thing you want to do is to click on add new item. Then you put in the product name. Then you put in the price. Then you want to describe the product, what it's all about. Okay, so let me just do that quickly. How to leverage on the vast population or the vast audience using the internet. Okay, let me just stop there. All right, you need to add an image before you could save. So we want to go to our gallery right now. All right, so let me go with this. Click on OK. Then here is our images. Then you want to click on save. Okay. All right, there you go, saved. So we have our product, our first product right there. So guys, basically this is how to set up your your e-commerce store, then you can go ahead and add more items if you want to add more items. All right, let's test out what we've done. Let me open my profile on another WhatsApp and see how it goes. Okay, this is the profile, and let me click on it. Now this is what it shows. This is what someone sees when the person opens my profile. It sees the finance open for 24 hours. It sees, the person sees all my detail. The person sees what I do. We teach you how to make money online. The person sees my location, my email, my website. If the person wants to get any of my products, all you need to do is to click on see all. Then the person can click on my products, see the details of my product, the pictures, see the price. The person can also message me, all right, and the person can add this to carts, you know and this is what the person sees. This person wants to buy, the person have to send me a message. Okay, the person can also share my link, the link to this my business product catalog. Person can send it to any other person, and through that link someone can click it and it will redirect the person straight to my catalog. All right, also the person can click on any of the websites I have put up here. So let's click on the first. So it will redirect the person to my seller website, where the person can actually get my product using the ATM card. So that is it. Also, when the person clicks on my YouTube link, it also redirect the person straight up to my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is amazing, guys. I want you guys to try this out, and let me know in the comment section how it went down with you. All right, thank you. See you next time.